Hi everyone.
Hi.
Today we will discuss about the activity that we can do for the Nature Week for the university. So basically, nature is the anything that surrounds us, which is the flora and fauna. So nature is very important to us, and it will affect our life if we're not concerned about it. So there are many activities that we can do or make the nature more close to us and important to us. So candidate B, can you suggest or give your opinion about the activity that we can do for the nature week?
Yeah. So in my opinion, the best activity for the Nature Week is organize a camping trip to a forest. When students live in the nature, which is the forest, so they need to know, they need to have knowledge to live in it. So first of all, they need to know how to live, how to get the food, and how to use the accommodation of the forest. So first of all, they need to know how to make a tent to sleep and get the uh, get the protection. And second, they need to know how to find the food, which is fishing and the others. And also they need to know how to use the combination of the forest, like the bark of tree can be used to be a shield for them.
May I interrupt
Yeah.
NTV? So, you just say that when we go for a trip to the forest, we can expose the student to the nature, right?
Yeah.
But it will be dangerous because in the forest we don't know what is incoming things that will happen to the students. By tree planting also, we can expose the student to the nature. They will know how to plant the tree in the right way, like the medium, and how to plant the tree. They also know all of the species and their genes. They also can know the benefit of specific plants, such as the uses of tongkat ali or other spice plant.
So objection. You said that this is danger to get camping to the forest. So there's ways to avoid the dangerous, which is we need to know each part of forest has the types of animals. So when we recognize and plan the trip, so we can avoid the danger, which is when you said that planting is the best ways, the best activity for the week, which is can expose students to the nature. They are just planting trees, which is early day we can plant, but it's not too important to the nature and to the world. So how about you, candidate?
As for me, I think we need to organize the recycling day. Actually, the recycling is the process of turning waste into the new material. It is the easiest way and the best way for people to help the environment. So, this not only save the earth and the nature, but it can prolong the survival of humanity on the earth. So, the first thing that we can do for the recycling day is practice the 3R, which is the recycle, use, and reduce. So it is we expose to the student on how to use back the material that they think unuseful, but it will give benefit to them and also the environment.
May I interrupt KDA? So you say that we can get more benefit by recycling, but the recycling day is just a day. It's not continuable benefit. So when we plant a tree, when it grown up, we can produce oxygen that we'll use for our respiration. We also can eat the fruit or the other product of the plant. So it is a continuable benefit. By recycle, it's just a day, so I don't think it much affect the world.
Objection. You said that it is the day, but I think that when we do the recycling day, it's not just a day, but it is actually we teach people on how to change the world to be better. So when people are being taught to know how to reuse, reduce, and recycle the waste, we can change the world to be better. Which is the most problem in the world is pollution in the world, in this world, which is too many waste and garbage in this world. So when all people in this world know how to reuse and reduce the garbage, so the world will be better. So after all people know how to recycling, so after that we can make the tree planting.
Solution, but by candidate we say the recycling day will convince people to recycle in the other days, but it on us. We don't know how the people think, how the people do. We don't know they will do or not. So how candidate?
I think people nowadays can accept anything for the benefits, so for the benefit for our life. So if they think that the practice the recycling is the best way to save their life, I'm really sure that they will practice the recycling for save the environment. So by that the nature or the environment will be saved by their behavior or anything.
So I agree after after hearing all the points that you gave. In addition, we also can get benefits such as when we recycle at the recycle place, we can get money such as for 1 kilogram plastic we can get 30 cents.
Yes.
So we can get more benefit for us, not for the world but for us also. So I think the best way to recycle for nature society, we have to organize a recycling day because it is the best way.
I agree because with this activity, world problem will be reduced, which is if the students teach other people about recycling, so more people will know and know how to recycle and make the world better, and world problem like they see in some places, and like pollution in many places will be reduced and will be repaired.
So I think the recycling day is the best way to make all the students or all the people become close to the nature and make them love the nature and go into the many practice to the save the nature. So to conclude, I really sure that all of you agree with the recycling day for the nature week.
Yes.
So that's all for the discussion. Thank you.
Thank you.